blowing your nose in the shower.
But I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that.
Who understood? Yeah, understood the plans. Him heard of it and put it to his hands. And I'm chill like that. 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 I'm chill like that.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
So a very long time ago, I made a compilation of me sneezing. And it is exactly what you're thinking it is. That was actually part of the unaired trilogy, the third one that was supposed to come out. Anyway, so a long time ago, I made 2 of them, sneezing for 2 minutes straight and sneezing for 3 minutes straight. And it took me 3 years to make.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my party trick. I learned how to sneeze on command. This week my allergies were so bad. And you know when you really have to sneeze and your nose kind of like tricks you, like, and then nothing. And it just keeps doing it over and over again and it's kind of miserable. I might delete.
So let's rank the comments on that video, because posting a video of you underage sneezing online is a good idea. I made random weird captions that have nothing to do with me sneezing, and this guy says one of the captions mentioned monetizing this for content. I would be willing to pay more. Let me know if you're interested. No, I'm not.
It works best if you have long nails, okay? Outside wall of your nose. Just gonna like apply pressure.
Coming up next has to be maybe one of my favorites. This one just says, how tall are you? And this is my friend answering 5'9". Like, that's true, but why would you, like, number one, why does he want to know? And number two, I don't know why she responded. But then he comes back and asks again, what is your height? Even though he has the answer.
Yeah, and you feel so much better.
This guy, 184 sneezes. Bless you, my dear, that's impressive. I love you, my dear, 180. It's so nice to be loved. Specifically sneezing for 3 minutes straight. Great part 2, and congrats on graduating high school. I agree, and now we wait. There was going to be a part 3. There might still be. And then lastly is every timestamp. There are quite a few. And I have checked, like I don't think there's anything particularly interesting about the sneezes that happen at this timestamp. Anyway, so that's how I got a lot of views off sneezing.
But I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that.
It just made my eyes water.
Normal or nah, blowing your nose in the shower.
Normal.
Yeah, normal.
I always do.
Absolutely.
It's the perfect time.
Yeah.
It feels so spicy.
Because the hot water like gets up, loosens all the mucus, and you get a good honk in.
A great honk.
A great honk. Hey, question. You going right into the hand? Hang on, let's count down from 3.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
No.
And I'm peace like that. I'm peace like that. I'm peace like that.
Oh.
You're disgusting.
Oh my god, yeah, because you're in there, you're washing your face, and then
But you don't have to in your hand because you're in the shower. I just give it the old, is that like the bushman's blow?
Oh, that's what, so you cover one nostril and just like honk it out?
Yeah, straight down the drain.
Oh, no, I honk it into my hand and then just like wash my hands.
Instead of using a tissue,
Yep.
I'll prefer to just go to the sink and give it a big honk. Oh, then obviously like wash it all down and stuff. Is that a...
That's a nah from me, dog.
just-
That's actually a bit
that...
America exploded because every time I get out the shower, I sneeze. I sneeze? I mean every single time. Sometimes it's 3 or 4 times. Am I allergic? Am I allergic to a shower? You be allergic to showers? What the There's nothing like spring. Nothing like it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous spring. I love the flowers. Oh, okay. God gives his hardest battles to his toughest warriors, aka me getting bloody noses in the shower all the time. What? Tell me, medical professional, what's going on with my nose?
There's some weird things that I do in the shower that I have to know if other people do too. Number 1 and top on my list is blowing my nose in the shower. I'm sorry, but nothing compares to the ability to just let it rip, knowing that you're gonna clean everything anyways. This next one's a little weird, but I'm really hoping I'll find my people. Sitting under the water and letting it just run in your mouth and never swallowing it, but seeing how much water you can fill up in your mouth and then going like an elephant. Is that weird? Even if it is weird, this is all about transparency, and I know someone else out there does it too.
Babe. Huh? What are you doing? My nose.
What are you doing?
You sound like a fuck. Oh, can you imagine that? Thank you.
Are you allergic to tequila?
Makes my nose tickle.
Enjoy.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Hey!